In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my logo by putting it in Canva and how it kind of comes together. What I'm going to do is open up Canva, go into Canva, search Facebook cover. Then I'm going to pick create blank Facebook cover. Then I'm going to go to my uploads. This is what I prepared earlier. And it is many layers of backgrounds that I picked because I wanted it to be my own background that no one else has. So to do that, I used transparency and just overlaid, just experimenting with what Canva can do. If you'd like to see that, just let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to do a video to show you how you can do that. So how I created the logo, if I go to elements and then I know I want it in a circle, so I put circle frame, is what I picked earlier, and it brings out all these frames here. If I go to see all, and then I'll show you what it looks like on the bog standard one. So I'll click in it and it'll drop this into your box. Then go to uploads, click on mine, and then I'll have to drag it in over there. So as you can see, it's not very neat around the edges. It's a bit not very neat at all. So we get rid of that. I don't want that. Go to elements, and you've got these lovely frames here. Pick one of those. I like this gold one, so I'm going to pick that. And then go to uploads, click on your upload, and then drag and drop it in. And there we go, voila! That's how I do my logo. I'll show you what it looks like with the AI version. So in elements, I'll pick the same frame. And this was my favourite AI version. This is kind of what I based my design on. But yeah, can you see the difference? So one's got character, lots of character in it, and the other one hasn't. And I think that was like it for all these other ones as well, which I didn't really like at all. I mean, it's worth experimenting with, and this is my end result. So I'll just add in my text, what I want, by pressing text. I'll just add in what I want. Wild Phoenix Muse. I always use Impact for my font, and I use that for all my fonts because I like it. Where can I change that? So as you can see at the top, it's Canva Sans. I click on there, put Impact. There we go. Change it to Impact, and then that's the size at the top, or you can always drag it here. Obviously I don't want white, so I use the effects. And then I'll just have a play around basically. You can choose the thickness there. I want it to be like a golden colour. You can kind of pick your colours here. Orangey, or maybe they might have my colour here. Or do I want to experiment with that colour? That's kind of, you can always do that. Try that maybe. It's just a case of experimenting really. Don't set yourself on one. And so yeah, so I hope that's helpful for you. Is that something you would try? Let me know in the comments below. If you'd like more videos like this, do give me the thumbs up and help support my channel. And I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Bye for now. Mwah.